Hey guys, welcome back to Wing Chun Tips. Today I would like to talk about the second form of Wing Chun, which is Chum Kiu. Chum Kiu, translated into English, is called finding the bridge. Hey guys, so just as we did for Xiulin Tao, we start by placing our feet in position with the easy Kimyama, open up. And then we do a Songgang Sao, like this. We roll the towel, take it back. But now we open both of our hands in a Songbiu position. We stop at the elbow, but we dash forward. And then we turn 90 degrees to the left, such that our left elbow is over our right elbow. Like this. Notice how, after pivoting, I've kept my center of gravity by standing on by relying on my right foot. Notice how my left foot can be raised easily like that, so that the opponent can't actually sweep my left foot. Okay? I have my left hand over my right hand. I now turn 180 degrees to the other side. And we turn back 180 degrees to the side. After doing that, we would come into a rolling motion, into a Sun Sao. Our right hand would be doing a Sao into our left elbow, but in a simultaneous motion, we turn our left hand into a Tan Sao, like this. Then do a palm strike with the right hand, and the left hand will be coming back. In the whole process, I'm maintaining my balance by sitting on my right foot. Okay, 3 of those, and we turn 180 degrees into a Lan Sao. After turning 180 degrees, I'm now sitting on my left foot. This is very important because our center of gravity determines how well positioned we are against our opponents. In a real fight, your opponent might rely on different kinds of tactics to make you lose balance. So in a real fight, whoever loses balance first would be the one to lose. That's why maintaining balance is always so important. We keep our left foot planted to the ground. We can easily raise our right foot in this position. And now we do a 135 degrees or 90 degrees rotation towards the camera, but 135 degrees rotation to the other side with our palms up. I'll show you how it works. Okay. Place our left hand over our right hand, also in this position. My face is pointing now towards the camera, but my body is tilted 45 degrees into that direction. My bottom is above my shoulder. I mean my elbow is above my shoulder. My wrist is pointing towards you guys. Because I just have an imaginary opponent at that direction. And my left hand is in a Wu-Sao position so that I can resist your force. Okay. Repeat, coming back, repeat in a Sao Kiu. Long Sao. Lang Sao. Now, notice how every time I do this, I can rotate my right hand easily, because I'm very relaxed. But I place my left hand over my Lang Sao to do the Long Sao. Okay. It's actually quite difficult at the start. Okay. Putting our left hand over our right hand, but turning towards that direction. So, we're turning very slowly like this. Lang Sao, Long Sao. At the end of this motion, place our left hand towards the center line, punch the opponent's nose, come back towards the center, do a Fak Sao, come back to where they Fuk Sao, and a Biu Zi. Tan Sao and come back. We do the same motion for the other side. Biu Sao. This time right over left, sitting on my left foot. 180 degrees, sitting on my right foot now. Notice how I can raise my hand, my foot. Hun Sao. And now we do a Tan Sao with our right hand. Fuk Sao with our left hand. 1, 2, 3. Arm strike, arm strike, arm strike. We come back here, 180 degrees. In the Lang Sao. So this time we do a Long Sao with our left hand. Okay? Resisting the force. Also over the elbow. Right hand over our left hand, coming in a also. Right hand over our left hand is fully relaxed. Rotating with our bodies. Notice how I'm pivoting with my body, not with my foot like that, but actually turning the whole body. This is very, very important. Learning how to do it is so important in Wing Chun. Okay. Place our right hand towards the center line, punch out, and take back our left hand. Come back to the center, Fak Sao, and now Fuk Sao. Biu Sao, Sao Kiu. So that's the first part.